I gotta kick my broken foot up for a minute. Hold on. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video, which is just going to be a casual, chatty, get ready with me. I'm going to put on my makeup of the day and try on a brand new product to me from SAIE Beauty. So it would be my first time to try SAIE. Really excited about that. I actually picked this up because Lisa J from BK Beauty, on one of her videos mentioned how this was one of her top recommendations for over 40 concealer, and so I thought I would give it a try. I failed to look at the ingredients before I ordered it. I just threw it right in my cart and paid for it and had it on the way. So yeah, I'm going to be trying some new SAIE. I'm going to try a new lip liner from e.l.f. This is actually one of the ones from that handful of e.l.f. products that I showed you in one of my other recent Chatty Get Ready With Me's. But anyways, I believe that this is the correlating lip liner that matches perfectly to the No Doubt shade that I love so much, which is the very first e.l.f. satin face or whatever it is, face satin lipstick that I picked up. That's what it is. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna try the new lip liner. I've got a new brow gel to try. So I'm gonna be trying the Rare Beauty Brow Harmony Flexible Lifting Gel today for the very first time as well. So I've got a handful of new things to try. I'm really excited. All that being said, before we jump into the makeup of the day, if you're new here, I just want to take a moment to say hi. I'm Michelle and I love makeup and nail polish, and I especially love playing with new makeup. So I like to do Chatty Get Ready With Me's where I will try new products along the way. Sometimes I'll even do an entire full face of brand new makeup, but right now I'm kind of like on a low buy slash almost tiptoeing towards a no buy. And so, yeah, I'm just doing like a few products here and there lately. But if that sounds like something that you're into, I would love to have you join my YouTube crew. So click that subscribe button down below. If you enjoy testing new makeup if you enjoy videos testing new makeup, make sure you give this video a like. It really does help my small channel out so much. And without any further ado, let's get into the makeup. I have, ow, that hurt. I have a haircut. Okay, this is pulling my hair. Hold on, like my little baby hairs is too far down. There we go. All right. So I have a hair cutting appointment coming up really, really soon. Am I going to use any primer today? I am not going to use any primer. Let's see how the foundation sits all by itself. Yeah, so I'm going to be getting my hair cut on my birthday, and that is also one of my friend's birthday. Like, we were born on the exact same day. And anyway, I recently got back in touch with her. If you missed my recent video, if you missed the video where I was talking all about that, I'll be sure to link that up here in the eye and down below in the description box. Check that out if you want when this video is over. But yeah, I'm gonna be driving out to spend my birthday with my friend who was born on the same day. And of course, some of our other friends will be joining us as well. And so I'm really excited about getting to see all of my friends for my birthday. It's been several years since I've had friends to celebrate my birthday with. My most recent birthdays have been small family gatherings, if that, you know. And yeah, so I'm really excited to get to see her and celebrate with her and like catch back up. But yeah, so can you tell? I think that I've gotten close enough to my foundation shade that I can get away with only wearing this one shade. I might be able to get away with just the one foundation, which of course is a lot easier for making sure my foundation looks the same color from one day to the next. Because when I mix them myself, like, it's not always going to come out the same color, you know, that's like the same ratio of each product, of each shade or whatever. Anyways, I'm putting on the foundation real quick and then we'll get into the concealer. Okay. So next is the SAIE concealer. Here is the shade that I got. I hope that's facing the right way. I have no idea if that's supposed to be a 7 or an L. Can't remember. Let me do something with my lips. Before we go on to the concealer, we'll give the foundation a moment to set itself, and I'm going to go into this new shade of the lip liner. Here is the shade right, oh good Lord. Oh, Michelle. Oh my God, really? I'm over here trying to pick it up with my toes. Okay, so here is the shade that I'll be trying on today. Actually, this might be more brown than the lipstick I normally wear. Anyway, okay, so it turns out I do think it's gonna go best with the No Doubt, so let's put it on with that, huh? I really love those lipsticks so much. So shocked. And the e.l.f. lip liner didn't break me out. And I haven't noticed any other adverse effects either. So really happy that I gave those a go as well. All right, so I really do like that lip color combination. Really like the e.l.f. lip liners, and I love the e.l.f. lipstick so much. Now in my last Get Ready With Me, I really messed up my eyebrows because I was talking and not paying attention. So I'm gonna try to just pay a little bit of attention here so I can stay within my actual eyebrow line, because I'm not trying to like make them any bigger than they are. I'm just trying to fill them in a little bit in some of the sparse areas. Sisters, not twins. So now I'm gonna try this Rare Beauty Brow Harmony flexible lifting gel. I hope that it will hold up my brows. I really do. So here is the pretty little packaging. Let's see what it will do here with my very thick unruly brows. Let's not over apply it. Like I had a big goop of it on the brush and I just wiped that off a little bit because I don't want it to like land on my foundation. Okay, I do like the way that feels going into the brow. Ooh, it sounds like a mascara when you put it in there, like when you pull it back out. Oh, I really like this. I think I like this better than the Benefit Clear Brow Gel because that one is super strong and there's like no movement with it and it feels like super crunchy. And then the Fluff Up Brow Wax is a little bit too flexible, although it is really nice. I feel like this one is the perfect combination between both of those other two that Benefit has that I've tried, and it's not as goopy feeling as the Patrick Ta, the one that was in the stick, the long stick wand. So I didn't really like that one either. It just made my brows too crunchy. Let's see, I can feel it drying and it doesn't feel too crunchy on my brows. I'll give them a moment to like set and I'll check them out and see what they feel like in a moment. So I'll be able to tell you how I feel completely about it at that time. But so far, I'm really hopeful that this is gonna be a win for me. All right, let me go ahead and powder my face. I'm not setting like around my concealer area yet because I haven't put my concealer on yet. It's just my face was way too dewy, and I was afraid that any of like my dog hairs that fluff around in the air would land on me while I'm still trying to finish up my face. So, okay, now let's go into this SAIE concealer here. Oh my, I have to freaking tear the package because otherwise I'm gonna ruin my manicure. By the way, speaking of manicure, check out my nails. I don't know, they look better like in lighting. I'm gonna probably create a short to share with you. Oh, this looks really light. Oh, it looks way too light. I was hoping to get one that would match my skin. It looks a lot darker on the outer packaging. Let's hope it's just a frosted bottle. Okay, it does look a little bit darker, I think. No scent. Let's just try it and see what happens. It's here. Ooh, that is super, super pale. Way too pale. Yeah, I'm gonna have to exchange it if I do like the formula because the shade is way off, sadly. Okay, so because it is super, super light, I'm not gonna put it out here because I hate when it's like super light out there, really obviously. But I'm gonna just try to, oh, I do feel it drying down. Wow, okay, hold on. Let me just go ahead and start working on it because it's drying down. I do feel like it is setting itself really nicely. Okay, I'm not too sure about the shade match though. It might actually be really, really fine. It does look like it blended in really well. So maybe I guessed right and it's a keeper. Yeah, I think it actually looks really, really great. So right now it's like a brightening, and then when I get lighter again in the winter, it might match more of my face a little bit better for like all over spot concealing. So that's kind of cool. I do like it, and even though I can't see, hold on, let me use my enlarged mirror because I really can't see to be judging it. Hold on. Whoa, it looks like I have nothing on but a little bit of lotion. It's beautiful. I don't even want to set it because I don't want to change the way that it looks, even though it's like a little bit shiny. Ooh, that's really nice. That Lisa J, she knows what she's talking about when it comes to these like face base products. Some of her other recommendations haven't worked out so well for me, but this is a hit. I really, really, really like this concealer. I'm curious if it builds up. I don't feel like I need to build it up though, and I think it looks really good. So I'm gonna just leave it at that. But first impressions of this is so, so glad that I picked it up. Yeah, okay. That was a win, yeah. Hip, hip, hooray for SAIE. Okay, let's move on to some blush, and then I'll bronze. I'm gonna use the same palette that I used the other day, getting a little bit more use out of this because this one has a really beautiful natural blush color in here. And I'm going to be doing a neutral with a pop of blue. So I figured that, like for my eyeshadow, it's going to be a neutral with a pop of blue. So I figured that a really soft, like natural shade of a peach would work nicely with that. Just, you know, a little bit of brightness from my actual skin tone, not too much. Okay. Next, I'm gonna bronze, don't worry. That'll help also to blend all this stuff in. I'm gonna go in with my current favorite powder bronzer, and that is the Sephora, like old version. I haven't tried the new version yet because it has seed oils in it, but this old version does not. So I really like this one a lot. I'm so sad that they changed the formula. I love this brush so much. Oh my God. So glad that I found it. That I finally tried it and that I got it on sale. Okay, I think the bronzer looks beautiful. Anyway, okay. Next up will be highlighter, and just to switch it up a little bit today, again, from yesterday's video, is I'm going to go in with my Hourglass highlighter today. And here is the shade right here. I love this highlighting brush. This is a Real Techniques brush. And it's from, like, you know, one of their older limited edition collections, but I really love it. Yeah, I don't think you can find it anymore, sadly. Okay, I'm gonna just also now just go in with my Hourglass powder. Instead of using the Hourglass brush, I'm gonna just use this longer handled bristle that reminds me a lot of the Hourglass brush. Okay, so I don't really like the feeling of the residue behind in my hairs, but I do feel like it's got more of a hold than the Fluff Up Brow Wax, and it's not as hard of a hold as the two like laminating gels that I've tried. So I do like it. I like some aspects of this better than the Fluff Up Brow Wax, and I like some aspects of the Benefit Brow Wax better than this Rare Beauty Brow Harmony. So it's, you know, just a matter of either or. I would say though that if I remember correctly, this one is $2 more than the travel size of the Fluff Up Brow Wax. So I feel like this is a more affordable product because you get more for the price. In my opinion, I think I'm gonna have to check a little bit more deeply, but I believe that's what I ended up seeing on the website. So far so good on that. I think that that's it for the face. So that's gonna do it for today's makeup look. And if you're curious to see how the eye look turns out, just make sure you stick around to the end, and I will insert a clip of the eye look once I finish filming that for a separate video. And if you're curious to watch that video, I will have that linked up here in the eye and down below in the description box. Check that out when this video is over if you'd like to see how I created the look that I'll be popping on to show you at the very end. But yeah, other than that, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while I put on my base face of the day. Okay, here is the finished eye look. Let me know what you think. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think of the look down below. Anyways, yeah, I had a lot of fun hanging out with you today. I hope you did too. If you did, please be sure to click the like button. It really does help my channel out so much. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.